Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, we'll see how to view and change your billing and plans in your ZenBasket admin. The Billing and Plans section allows you to view your current subscription plan, check expired plans, and upgrade or switch to a different plan whenever required. ZenBasket offers 4 different plan types: the 14-day free trial plan, standard, premium, and unlimited. These plans differ based on pricing and available features. To get started, log in to your ZenBasket admin. From the dashboard, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Billing and Plans. Here, you will be redirected to the Subscribed Plans page. This page displays your active plan and any expired plans associated with your account. To change your current subscription plan, click on the Change Plan button. Now, you can view the available ZenBasket plans. Choose the required plan based on your needs and proceed with the payment. Once the payment is completed successfully, your selected plan will be updated. If you try to downgrade to a lower plan, a warning message will appear. This message informs you that your store is currently using features that are not available in the lower plan. To continue with the downgrade, you need to disable or remove the features that are not included in the selected lower plan. This ensures that your store matches the feature set of the lower plan. An Excel file will also be downloaded with the list of current plan features that are not available in the selected lower plan. Review the file and disable the mentioned features from your store. Once the required changes are completed, you can proceed with downgrading your plan. Your downgrade request has been approved successfully. Once your existing plan expires, you may choose the plan you desire and continue with that subscription. Now, your ZenBasket subscription plan has been updated successfully. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.